Now, let's delve into 5 websites where beginners can kickstart their blogging journey and earn up to $500 per post. Whether you're an experienced writer or just starting out, these platforms offer opportunities for everyone to share their thoughts and insights. Number 1, Blogging Pro Job Board. This popular online platform caters to bloggers, content creators, and freelance writers. From technology to personal finance, there's a niche for everyone. Simply browse the job listings, apply for assignments, and start earning. Rates range from $50 to $500 per post, depending on complexity. Number 2, WriterWork. An all-in-one platform providing job listings, tools, and resources for writers. With opportunities in SEO, blogging, content marketing, and more, it's ideal for diversifying your portfolio. Membership comes with a one-time fee, but the potential earnings make it worthwhile. Number 3, ProBlogger Job Board. Connects bloggers with companies seeking writers for various niches. Whether it's parenting advice or finance tips, there's a gig for every interest. Apply for well-paying assignments and aim for an average rate of $300 per post to meet your monthly earning goals. Number 4, Upwork, a versatile marketplace offering blogging gigs across multiple industries. From business to fashion, you'll find projects suited to your expertise. Set your rates, build a strong profile, and secure long-term contracts to boost your income. Number 5, Fiverr. Known for its affordability, Fiverr is a great platform to offer blogging services, create gigs, set your prices, and deliver quality content to build your reputation. While rates start low, you can increase your earnings by offering premium packages and optimizing your services. To succeed on these platforms, consistency is key. Keep an eye on new job listings, personalize your pitches, and deliver exceptional work to secure repeat clients. With dedication and perseverance, you can turn your passion for writing into a lucrative income stream. So, whether you're a seasoned writer or just dipping your toes into the world of blogging, these platforms provide ample opportunities to showcase your skills and get paid for your work. Happy blogging, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.